Welcome to our exploration of 2024's Hidden Wonders, where we dive into the remarkable stories and astonishing places that often go unnoticed. In a world filled with constant information overload, it's easy to overlook the gems that lie just beneath the surface. This video will take you on a journey through lesser-known destinations, intriguing cultural practices, and fascinating historical events that deserve the spotlight. We'll uncover the secrets of breathtaking landscapes that are off the beaten path and introduce you to local legends that have shaped communities. From hidden waterfalls tucked away in lush forests to ancient ruins that tell tales of civilizations long gone, each story is a testament to the beauty and diversity of our planet. Our goal is to engage your curiosity and inspire a sense of adventure. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a newfound appreciation for these hidden wonders but also a desire to explore them yourself. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler or someone who enjoys learning about the world from the comfort of your home, there's something here for everyone. Get ready to discover unique stories and insights that you may have missed, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Unveiling hidden natural wonders. In recent years, the world has begun to shine a light on some of its most breathtaking yet lesser-known natural wonders. From the mesmerizing bioluminescent bays of Puerto Rico to the stunning rock formations of Cappadocia in Turkey, these unique features captivate the eye and hold ecological importance. For instance, the bioluminescence in Mosquito Bay is a result of microorganisms that thrive in clean waters, highlighting the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. As these hidden gems gain attention, it's crucial to discuss the environmental impact of increased tourism. Many of these locations are fragile, and the influx of visitors can lead to habitat degradation. Conservation efforts are underway in various regions, with local organizations working tirelessly to protect these natural wonders. Initiatives include sustainable tourism practices, habitat restoration, and educational programs aimed at raising awareness about preserving these sites for future generations. Personal stories from visitors often reveal the profound impact these wonders have on their lives. One traveler described standing in awe at the vibrant colors of the northern lights in Iceland, feeling a deep connection to nature that sparked a passion for environmental advocacy. Another shared how hiking through the ancient forests of New Zealand inspired him to support conservation efforts back home. These testimonials remind us that exploring hidden natural wonders can lead to transformative experiences. They urge us to cherish and protect our planet's beauty. Cultural gems off the beaten path. When we think of cultural heritage, iconic landmarks often come to mind, but there are countless cultural gems that remain hidden, waiting to be discovered. This section delves into unique festivals and rituals that showcase the rich tapestry of local traditions. For instance, the vibrant Festival of the Lanterns in Thailand, celebrated in small villages, illuminates the night sky with handmade lanterns symbolizing hope and renewal. Such events not only bring communities together but also offer visitors an authentic glimpse into the heart of local culture. Preserving these cultural practices is vital for maintaining the identity and history of communities. As globalization continues to influence traditions, many local customs risk fading away. By highlighting these lesser-known festivals, we can raise awareness about their significance. We can also encourage sustainable tourism that respects and supports local heritage. To enhance the authenticity of our exploration, we've gathered insights from locals who passionately share their experiences. One villager remarked, "Our festival is not just a celebration. It's a way to connect with our ancestors and pass down our stories." Another local shared, "When visitors participate in our rituals, it strengthens our community and helps us keep our traditions alive." These voices remind us that cultural gems off the beaten path are not just destinations. They are living expressions of identity and history. Join us as we uncover these hidden treasures and celebrate the diversity of human experience. Innovative technologies changing our world. In today's rapidly evolving landscape, surprising technological advancements are making a significant difference in our daily lives, often in ways we least expect. For instance, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing healthcare by enabling early disease detection through predictive analytics. This technology analyzes vast amounts of data to identify patterns that human eyes might miss, leading to timely interventions and improved patient outcomes. Another remarkable innovation is the rise of vertical farming, which addresses food security in urban areas. By utilizing hydroponics and controlled environments, these farms produce fresh produce with minimal land use and water consumption. Cities like Singapore are already reaping the benefits, showcasing how vertical farming can reduce carbon footprints while providing nutritious food. Looking to the future, the potential impact of these technologies is immense. As AI continues to advance, we may see even more personalized healthcare solutions tailored to individual genetic profiles. Similarly, vertical farming could become a staple in cities worldwide, drastically changing how we think about food production and sustainability. Real-world applications highlight the success of these innovations. For example, a startup in the Netherlands has developed a fully automated vertical farm that has increased crop yields by 300% compared to traditional methods. These stories illustrate how innovative technologies are not just concepts but are actively improving lives and reshaping our world.